Hello students, in this video you will learn about bear vinegar, oxidation. Bear vinegar oxidation. So in this reaction involve the formation of ester, the formation of ester from ketone by oxidation in presence of per acid. Okay. So in bear vinegar reaction, the formation of ester is take place by using ketone in presence of or oxidation in presence of per acid. Okay. In this reaction, the migration of group from carbon to electron deficient oxygen is take place. What happened in this reaction? The migration of group from carbon to electron deficient oxygen. Okay. The per acid is used for oxidation. Per acid is used for oxidation in this reaction. The example of per acid is per acetic acid, per benzoic acid, per trifluoroacetic acid and per monosulfuric acid. These are the example of per acid. Let's see the reaction. Let's see the reaction. This is your ketone in presence of per acid. It forms ester. This is a general reaction of bear vinegar oxidation. Let's see the mechanism of bear vinegar oxidation reaction. In first step, what happen? Take ketone. This is your ketone. This is your per acid. Okay. So this proton of per acid attack on carbonyl carbon and pi bond break here and it form protonated ketone. It form protonated ketone. Okay. It form protonated ketone. In next step, what happen? In next step, this protonated ketone. Okay. In this protonated ketone, the per acid attack on this protonated ketone and form this intermediate. Okay, so this oxygen, this total group is attached here. Okay, in next step what happen? In next step this group is removed from here. This group is removed from here and form this intermediate. After that the migration of group take place or migration of alkyl group is take place. In this step what happen? This alkyl group migrate towards the electron deficient oxygen. This alkyl group migrate towards the electron deficient oxygen. At the same time this proton is removed and this pi bond is shift here, this bond is shift here and form ester and form. So what happen in Baeyer-Villiger oxidation? The formation of ester take place from ketone by oxidation in presence of per acid. Okay, in this Baeyer-Villiger reaction the migration of group from carbon to electron deficient oxygen is take place. Okay, let's see the mechanism. What happen in mechanism of Baeyer-Villiger reaction? The proton of per acid attack on carbonyl carbon of ketone and from protonated ketone. Okay, so this protonated ketone the per acid attack on carbon of protonated ketone and form this intermediate. And in this step this compound is totally removed from here and form this intermediate. In last step what happen? The migration of group is take place. So this alkyl group migrates towards the electron deficient oxygen and simultaneously this proton is removed and this electron transfer here and finally form the ester. It is your Baeyer-Villiger reaction. Thank you.